Zyrox here, and today we are playing MMQ once again. So if you cannot see that I'm having holy lag, and my bad, and holy, oh help, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him. Run. Mm. I had the most scrumptious breakfast. Y'all cannot even understand, bro. This dish is scrumptious. I took a bowl of soup. This is my opinion, by the way. If y'all enjoyed, then yeah. But this is my opinion. This is not Vanny, bro. This is Vanny. Bro, this is just Vanny. Listen, this is Timo Vanny, bro. Like, if I was in the same server as Vanny, I could get a lot of views. This is not Vanny. Wait, hold up. Let me check. Because, Hori, what? Excuse me, sir. You got that look that we've been looking for. TV, television. We need some kind of savior. Or at least some kind of savior. A basement. So if I made them, let me make them. Excuse me, sir. You got that look that we've been looking for. TV, television. We could live forever. Oh. Yo, why we going the same direction? You just want attention. In case emergency. Can I take it out, chat? No, let's take it out. Yo, me using my height is an advantage, go. Yo, wait, could I climb up this because of my height? Hey, being 6 feet, being 6 feet tall is actually a benefit. Anyways, today we're gonna, for the rest of September, we are gonna be chud maxing, okay? Chud maxing. And if you don't know what chud maxing is, basically like just staying in your room and just like doing a chud. And we're doing this. Oh, a crime scene happened. Oh, people got murked. Oh shit. Well, of course we. Yes, we, my dirty. Yes, we. My white Americans. We decided to upon ourselves. I never saw anyone get murked. Excuse me, sir. You got that look that we've been looking for. Excuse me, sir. Oh, shit. Enrique. Oh no, little Timmy got murked. Little Timmy, you got murked. You just I had to kill the guy, cause I am the guy. Okay, want to trade me now? Please tell me that's not butt. What's not butt? Mmm. Mmm. You know, we could work with that. We could work with this. Excuse me, sir. You got that look that we've been looking for. TV, television. Excuse me, sir. You got that look that we've been looking for. TV, television. Stuff that we've been looking for. We could live forever. Win awards. Excuse me, sir. You got that look that we've been looking for. TV, television. Stuff that we've been looking for. We could live forever. For the time. Okay, chat. Let me see embarrassing story. Okay, this dude. Let's call him. This dude. Let's call him Chad Maxer. Okay. Chad Maxer. Chad Maxer decided to go down the hot ass slide, and he was wearing shorts at that time. And he was like sweating from like the heat. And then he went down the slide. It was a metal slide, by the way. Not those rubbish plastic slides. Then he got stuck. He was stuck. He could not move. The nigga was crying. We were like, oh yeah. Okay. How do we fix this? The guy slid down because of his weight, because like the stickiness wear off, because like the heat evaporated it. Now when the guy fell, when Chad Maxwell went down the slide, he just had that. Then it started. He had like a big blister on his thigh, bro. As we were laughing, but then he was crying. But yo, I felt bad nowadays. Now, here's another story. In my culture, what we do is we have weddings we at least have like a wedding every year happening. So we go to the wedding, and then a bird just came swooping down, eh? Like, okay, have you guys ever knew when the bride throws the bouquet in the air, then it hit a bird, ne? Then the bird came crashing down. Now. And I come there was it was a crow, bruh. And then the bride got haunted it every year, bruh. So she could not now, since the bride couldn't go outside, we had to continue the wedding inside the house, inside like a mansion, whatever. And that's my story of how crows now hate us, and now we're getting what is this? We're getting stalked. Okay, face reveal at 100 subs. Should we do it? I think 1K. No, 500K. No, 500K is too much. Let's see. I'm not gonna face reveal. I'm only gonna face reveal in November. That side in November, go. So I'm going to do the face reveal, and don't. I got killed. I just. Yo, Chad. Yo, what's your problem? I saw where is my Where is Monday? I saw. I want to end this off with a sheriff clip. Thank you for my drip. Thank you for my rinse. By the way, I'm gonna start making my voice look a bit deep. Like, damn, it's deep. Maybe he'll meet up. Yo, do you know when he maybe like needed about he'll drive a funky in? I think all of the three made that song. Maybe he'll meet at a bar. He'll drive a funky in. I think all of the three made that song. Maybe he'll meet in a bar. He'll drive a funky in. Maybe he'll meet in a bar. He'll drive a funky in. Yo, chat, should we end this video with an MM2 play? I pray that there's not some noob who's gonna snipe me, bro. And we're on yacht! And we're on the yacht, yes! Okay, so I'm first gonna check what we can kill first. Die, woman! Bro, who is jumping in the water? Who's jumping in the water? Why don't you guys wanna do it? I did take a shower, you know. I did take a shower. I mean, okay. No. Oh, what is in the gun? No. Deja vu. Bro, why is it always the noobs that are killing me, bro? I mean, I'm not that bad. I'm not that bad. Yo, anyways. I'm not that bad. I'm not that bad. Yo, I wanna start using CapCut to edit my videos. And okay, JJS, we're gonna play in a public server. Get at least 1 kill without ult, and the character, and you guys must choose which character I use. I bet, but I feel like this was a glitch. What's your problem, you dirty broken Nigerian? What's your problem? What's your problem? What's your problem? What's your problem? You have problem. You have problem, chicken. You don't need chicken, man. You did it. Anyways, since I want to edit, to make my videos 15 minutes long, and I'm gonna be chat matching tomorrow. So if you guys want more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, leave a like if you can, and as well, peace out. Wait, hold up. No, I have to get to a perfect place so I can do my outro, okay? Okay. Yo, Jenas, I have to shout out this one person quickly. Okay, good enough. Get out. Anyways, like and subscribe. Turn on notifications if you want more videos like this. Hit the subscribe button. Smash the like button. Turn on notifications, and as well, go subscribe to Plaza B from Socks for One. And if you want more, and bye, chat. Tomorrow we're gonna do a GGS video. Bye.